Is your Windows PC suddenly feeling slow, even when you are not running heavy apps? You open a few programs, everything seems fine, and then out of nowhere, your system starts lagging, freezing, or taking forever to respond. The truth is, your RAM might be full, even when it looks like it isn't. So in this video, I will show you a simple, safe and effective way to clear your RAM cache using an official Microsoft tool and instantly boost your system performance. This works perfectly on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's fix it. The first step is to check your RAM usage. Let's confirm the issue. Right-click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Once it opens, click on Performance from the left pane and then click on Memory. Now look at the right side. You will see different values like in use, available, and then cache. Pay close attention to the cached memory. This is RAM that Windows is holding onto for faster access, but sometimes it holds too much, leaving less space for active tasks. You might see 1GB, 4GB, or even 8GB cached. As you can see, mine is 11.8GB. The higher this number, the more performance you can recover. Make sure you keep your task manager open. We will compare before and after. Now for the next step, let's download Microsoft's RAMMap tool. Open any browser. Search RAMMap Microsoft. Click on the first search. Now click on the first link, which is the official Microsoft link. Scroll down and then click on download RAMMap. It's a very small file. Once downloaded, go to your downloads folder. You will see a file named rammap.zip. Right click it and then extract the files. Now open the extracted folder and launch the application named rammap.exe, which is the main application. Double click to launch it. When the user account control pops up, click on yes to continue. Now click agree. You will see a detailed breakdown of your RAM usage inside RAMMap. We have the paged pool, the non-paged pool, meta file, drive locked, and then etc. Now pay close attention. As you can see, I have a RAM cache of 11.2GB. To make things clearer, that's why I've placed the RAMMap side by side with the task manager. Now head to the RAMMap application and then click on empty. From the drop-down list, look for one named empty standby list, which is the cached RAM or the cached memory. Again, check my cached RAM, which is 11.2GB. Click empty standby list and see what happens. Now see the magic. Within seconds, your cached memory will drop dramatically. From what you saw, mine dropped from 11.2GB to 476MB. That means several gigabytes of RAM are now freed up and ready to be used by your system. After doing this, your PC should feel faster, more responsive, and overall smooth, especially when multitasking or launching apps. I know some people might ask, when should you use this? This isn't something you need to do every day, but it's incredibly useful when your PC feels slow for no reason. When you're about to run a heavy software or games, or you notice high cached memory in Task Manager, or when your available RAM is low. Personally, this is one of the quickest tricks to bring a sluggish system back to life. Note that cached memory isn't bad. It actually helps speed things up, but sometimes Windows doesn't release it efficiently, and that's when this method comes in handy. Think of it as a quick reset for your RAM. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you, drop a like, let me know your results in the comments, and subscribe for more powerful Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.